Everybody, this is Joe from Tiny Camper Company. This is a little 4x8, but I want to show you how our air conditioning system works. Everybody always wonders, well, Joe, does it slide in, slide out? Does it fit perfect? Yes, it does. Any 5000 BTU air conditioner can slide in, slide out. It goes right next to your feet. So it's better than being right next to your face. Being really cool. This is Tiny Camper Company.